Suma and Miss Kathy just pulled into the Westlake Recreation Center to do some bird watching today. Hi, Miss Kathy.
Hi, Miss Jamie.
Suma, look at that heron over there across the pond.
Wow. Wow, Suma, look at the goose. Isn't she beautiful?
More geese. Look at all of them, Suma. How many do you see? Look, Suma. Do you see those bird nests? And look, there's some birds. Hey, Suma, what kind of bird is that? Miss Kathy and Suma are looking through their bird book to see if they can find what type of bird that is. Hey, Miss Kathy, did you find anything?
I think we did, Miss Jamie. Suma and I think that those are swallows. What do you think?
Looks right to me. Nice job. Look, Suma, over there's a robin. Do you see it in the grass? Suma, Miss Kathy, look over here. Wow, look at that little bird. Bye-bye, birdie. Do you see Suma sitting way over there under that tree? Sometimes you have to sit very quiet and wait for the birds to appear. Suma, look, there's that heron again. I'm sorry, were you reading the sign? That's right, we can't feed the birds when we visit the pond.
Miss Jamie, look. Suma is hiding so she doesn't scare all the birds away.
Hey, Suma, you look like you had a lot of fun bird watching today. Look at all those new friends. Hey, Miss Kathy, what do you have?
This is flat Suma. Everyone can make a flat Suma of their own if they'd like to take one on an adventure. They just have to go to westlakelibrary.org blogs.
Stay tuned for the next adventure. We'll see you soon.